need physical activity for more reasons than you may realize. Have you thought about adding a morning workout for your kids' routine? Yes, I know mornings are already chaotic, especially school mornings. But what if I tell you that committing to less than 10 minutes per day could drastically improve your child's focus, attention, and overall learning? So welcome back to my channel. This is a HIIT workout for kids just like other workout. But the last move is more of a cool down move. One of the things that kids love most about this workout is actually acting like an animal as they do the move, especially making the animal noises. Don't be afraid to jump in and do this with your child and get everyone laughing at the same time. Things you need: water, music, a yoga mat, an interval timer. So here are some instructions. You can set up your interval timer for 45 seconds of workout and 15 seconds of rest for a total of 1 minute. You and your kids should do as many as each move as possible during the 45 seconds, and your goal is to sweat. Lizard run. Start in a plank position. You should have your hands on the floor, a straight back, and holding up your lower body with your toes. You are going to run as fast as you can, like a little lizard, by bringing your knees up, one at a time, to your arms. This works the whole body, improves core strength, and practices bilateral coordination and motor planning. Monkey climbs. Standing up straight again with legs slightly hip width apart, bend your elbows so your hands are beside your shoulders. Raise your right arm above your head while simultaneously raising your left knee to your hip. Then alternate by lowering your arm and knee and lifting the left arm above your head while also lifting the right knee. To get an idea of what this looks like, imagine the lizard runs, only you're standing and adding in the arm movement like a standing mountain climber. This move is pretty advanced when it comes to the motor planning and reciprocal bilateral coordination, and you may take some practice for your child, so don't worry if it looks uncoordinated. What's important is that they are having fun. Hummingbird flies. Stand up straight with feet together. Stretch your arms straight out on either side of you like a cross. Then you are going to move your arms in very small circle. This is like windmills but with small tight circles like a hummingbird quickly moving its wings. This move is great for stimulating the joints in the arms. This also helps improve body awareness. Kangaroo jumps. Start by standing straight, legs slightly less than hip width apart. Then bend your knees to above a 45-degree angle and then spring yourself up, jumping in place as high as you can. Land with your knee back at the 45-degree angle and repeat. This looks similar to a jump squat, but you aren't going down as low. You can swing your arms out straight in front of you to help maintain your balance. This move is great for building both endurance and balance. Snake crawl. The rest of the workout is completely on the ground, but don't worry, that doesn't make it too easy. For the snake crawl, prop yourself on your forearms with your legs resting on the ground straight out behind you. You shouldn't be using your legs to support your body weight at all. They are your long snake tail. Use your forearms to drag yourself forward like a modified army crawl. The next one is hatching butterfly. Start off by sitting on your bottom with your knee up in front of you. Hug your knees into your chest and roll backward, curling up into a small ball. Your arms and legs should be hovering a few inches off the ground, using your abdominal muscles to support yourself. This move helps build core strength and improves posture. Donkey kicks. This is the last high intensity move in the workout. Start on your hands and knees and kick your leg out and up to a 90-degree angle. Alternate legs going as quickly as you can. If you have the core and upper body strength to do it safely, try kicking both legs at the same time like a traditional donkey kick, temporarily supporting your weight and your arms and the core. Downward facing dog. So it's time to cool down. Start with your hands and knees on the floor. Then lift your knees off the floor, raising your buttocks high in the air, pushing your heels towards the ground and your palms flat on the ground. You should be looking down so your head is completely inverted. Hold the pose for 45 seconds or for the full minute if you can. This move works as a cool down move at the end of the workout, and being upside down also provides a ton of vestibular input which can help keep sensory seekers calm for hours. Why kids should exercise in the morning? There are so many benefits. Exercise is beneficial for both physical and cognitive development. Let's see some physical benefits of exercise for kids. Gross motor development, improved balance, improved flexibility, increased endurance, and better motor planning. Cognitive benefits of exercises for kids. The physical benefits of exercises are great, but it's actually the cognitive benefits of exercises that makes it worthwhile to do a morning workout with your kids. This improves self-regulation, reduces hyperactive, improves focus, decreases anxiety, and boosts mood and better learning. Which exercise was your favorite? Drop a comment and let me know. Remember to hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more fantastic videos. Thank you for watching.